some more of the Thai countryside. Just woke up a little bit ago. Slept really well in this nice little sleeper area that they constructed from the tables. So, anyway, the countryside here is a bit different than I expected. I thought it would be, I don't know, more jungle. But as Danny across from me put it, it's more autumnal. It seems a little bit like fall out there. Some leaves turning yellow. Some dead branches. Really excited to get to Chiangmai and settle into a hostel. First order of business, find a proper hostel, and second order of business, get myself a nice Thai massage. Then maybe do some laundry and prepare for school to start tomorrow. So I'll check in with you guys again. Maybe this afternoon if I find something cool. Otherwise it'll be tomorrow. Maybe I can show you guys around the school I'll be learning at.